Who doesn't like cooking food which are super easy to make and taste absolutely delicious with so less ingredients? I'm gonna show you one recipe like that. It is called as sticky chicken legs, one of our house favorites. We just snack on this a lot and we love this. So I'm gonna show you how to do this. I have taken 6 leg pieces, 3 with skin, 3 without skin, 3 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, 6 to 7 chopped garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon vinegar, 2 teaspoon chili sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds. It is super easy and quick to make. First, let's marinate these chicken legs. We add in all the ingredients that we have: ginger, garlic, soy sauce, honey, the chili sauce, and vinegar. We add everything except the sesame seeds and give all this a nice mix. One teaspoon salt. I'm gonna cover this up and let it marinate at least for 2 hours. I'm gonna put this in the fridge. So it's about 2 hours now and my chicken has nicely marinated and I'm very excited to do this. Keep your pan on heat and add some oil. You can add any oil. So once you add your oil, I'm going to take out the chicken from the marinade and place it into the pan. Before you place it into the pan, just give it a good mix so that you get more juices from the marinade onto the chicken. And now I'm going to place them on the pan. I'm going to cover this and cook for about 8 to 10 minutes on each side until the chicken is almost done. I'm going to flip this over. Look at that beautiful color. If you feel that the chicken is sticking to the pan, just add like 2 to 3 tablespoons of water just to make sure it doesn't stick and also cooks through. And I'm going to cover this and cook. Guys, it's about time we open this. So what I will do now is, the chicken's already falling off the bone and I can see all the juiciness of it. I'm going to put this in a plate. So once you take out your cooked chicken onto a plate, remember the marinade. Do not waste the marinade. We are going to make the sauce out of this. So I'm going to put it in the same pan and let it reduce. This sauce will be my dipping sauce for the chicken. Just let this boil. The sauce has thickened slightly and I believe it's already giving a nice sticky consistency because of the honey. I'm going to dip the chicken that I've cooked into my sauce. Once you know that your sauce is thickened and it is, not very flowy but heavy, that is the right time to add in your cooked chicken into the sauce. So just put all the chicken back into the sauce. We will sprinkle some sesame. So at the final stage, just put your flame on high and let the chicken stay in the sauce for just a few minutes more because I want this sauce to completely coat the chicken. Once the sauce reduces, it coats the chicken beautifully. It's damn soft, juicy, and it's actually sticky. I'm gonna take a bite now. I can't wait any longer. Out of this world. This never fails, honestly. The chicken is just falling off the bone. And this for me is finger licking good.